Withdrawing money from Zelle to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. If you are using your bank's app, open that instead, as Zelle is often integrated within banking applications. Step 2. Sign in. Enter your login credentials to access your Zelle account. If you are using your bank's app, make sure you are logged into your bank account. Step 3. Navigate to the transfer section. Look for the option that allows you to send or receive money. This is typically labeled as Send Money, Transfer, or Zelle. Select this option to proceed. Step 4. Select the amount. Choose the amount of money you wish to withdraw from your Zelle account. Make sure this amount is available in your Zelle balance before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, the funds should be transferred to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consult your bank's customer service for assistance.